Good afternoon. Meteorologist John Birchfield here with that weekend forecast that does include another winter weather disturbance, and an alert day remains in effect for your Saturday afternoon and evening. This one is likely to bring a messy mix of snow as well as some sleet that'll be likely, with a slushy accumulation possible. The chances of ice are going to be most likely far to the south of Toledo, likely with a slushy coating in the Toledo metro. That alert day storm system is still brewing over the Rockies, hundreds of miles away. If you look out towards Salt Lake City and Denver, I'm watching this area of low pressure that is going to be bringing us our wintry weather into the weekend. Dry weather conditions across the Buckeye State, some light snow showers across the northern tier of Illinois, but nothing that is expected to impact us at least for the next 24 hours. Looking at temperatures, it is going to be a brisk feel for your Friday. We're in the low to mid 20s in the Toledo metro. Highs are expected to top out right around 30 degrees for your Friday. Partly cloudy skies. You will see some peaks of sunshine. There is going to be a chillier feeling breeze at 5 to 10 miles an hour out of the west, and a colder feel to ring in the weekend. So dry weather Friday night and dry weather Saturday morning. Now, this weekend storm is not going to be a major winter storm by any means. In fact, the impact level is going to be fairly low, and more so just a nuisance that does cause slippery travel conditions with a minor snow and sleet accumulation. There is still the potential for some icing south of Toledo, but this one looks to predominantly bring that slushy and messy coating of snow and sleet. Hour by hour timing, dry weather to start off Saturday. By the afternoon, we're going to be watching down towards the bottom of your screen as that wintry mix rolls on through. Late in the day, we're going to see that mix of snow and sleet. The pink color shows you the chance for a bit of freezing rain. That is expected to be south of the Maumee River. Areas like Ottawa and Findlay have the best chance to pick up a light glazing of ice. Blue across northern Ohio and southern Michigan shows you that slushy mix of snow and sleet that'll be occurring. Through the evening, we are going to continue to see snow and sleet chances. It'll be gradually pushing off to the east between about 8 to 10 p.m. And you'll notice on the southern side of this system, just rain for central Ohio. Snow is going to be clearing out overnight, and Sunday morning could have a few slick spots, but slightly improving travel conditions. A little bit of a closer to home view. Cloudy skies Saturday morning. It is going to be chilly with temperatures below freezing. By mid-afternoon, we are going to start to see some of that wintry mix with a slight chance for freezing rain down towards the Route 30 corridor. Heading into your Saturday evening, we're going to see that messy mix right here across northwest Ohio, with light ice glaze possible far to the south. Overnight, snow showers gradually tapering off, giving way to a dry Sunday. That snow and ice mix is going to be most likely from the Toledo metro down towards Findlay, with a better chance for a glaze of ice that'll be occurring far south and across far northern Ohio and southern Michigan. Mostly snow, with a little bit of sleet and ice possibly mixing in. Weather impacts and timing include that afternoon and evening time frame from about 3 to 10 o'clock p.m. That is when we are expecting wintry weather. So if you do have errands to run or outdoor activities, I'd recommend earlier in the day. Travel could be slick at times, especially during those evening hours, and sleet is looking likely. That is expected to cut into our snowfall totals. In other words, not going to be a big snow maker, and those sleet amounts likely to reduce any accumulations. Next 4 days featuring that late day wintry mix and the PM alert as we give you the heads up about impactful weather Saturday. Super Bowl Sunday is going to be chilly but partly sunny, and Monday another dry day ahead of an active stretch of weather. Now, Saturday's wintry mix is not our only alert day. We just issued one for Thursday as well, as this active stretch of February weather continues, and this one could produce more snow. We haven't really had a ton of snow this winter, but this one does have the potential to bring our biggest snowfall of the season. There is still some uncertainty with the track, but it looks like with low pressure riding up into central Ohio, there could be a swath of heavier wet snow that does occur. You'll notice this computer model showing all snow for us, with the wintry mix and rain line far to the south and southeast. So this track would be favorable for getting some accumulating snow and possibly our biggest snow of the season. After Saturday's winter storm system, we do have several days of dry weather lasting Sunday through Tuesday. Scattered snow showers return late Wednesday, and we're pinpointing Thursday with a 70% chance of snow, and that alert day giving you the first look that there could be some impactful weather. Dry weather for Valentine's Day and staying chilly below freezing through the 10-day forecast.